Hello everyone, my name is Tarun and I'm here with yet another session for Ielts. The people who are watching my video for the first time, please make sure that you subscribe it so that you can get the reminders of my coming videos. The topic which we are going to take up today is how to start an essay or how to start a cue card with some effective sentences. I've got a lot of feedback saying that once we start writing or once we start speaking, after a couple of minutes, we get well versed with the speech or well versed with the essay. But the main challenge which people face is that how to start it. What can be the best possible statement to start an essay or to start speaking a cue card? So today I'm here with you with 15 statements that can be used in a lot of different essays and a lot of different cue cards. So guys, these are the universal truths and they can be used for multiple topics. So the first topic which I have on my list is shopping. If you get a cue card or if you get an essay regarding shopping, you can start with the sentence that shopping is a wonderful activity, but each and every person has to do it willingly or unwillingly. By this, I mean to say that even if a person doesn't like to do shopping, he has to do it to buy the necessary items. So, the universal statement or the starting statement of a topic related to shopping is that shopping is an activity which every person has to do willingly or unwillingly. And some people can take up shopping as a leisure activity as well. So, the second topic which we have is traveling abroad. You will get a lot of topics where you will see that the people going to a different country should adopt their language or not. People going to a different country should adapt the new culture or not. So, for all these topics, you can start by saying, with the advent of globalization, people get a chance to move to different countries for better career options and lifestyle. And if the topic is related to the people who migrate from rural areas to the urban areas, we can use the word urbanization instead of globalization. So, how it will go? That with the advent of urbanization, people get a chance to relocate themselves from rural to urban areas for better career option and better lifestyle. So, this can be the general statement that you can use in these kind of topics. So, guys, the third topic which we have on the list is food, shelter, and clothing. Roti, kapda, or makan. So, there are numerous topics regarding fashion, the way people dress themselves, regarding the food, and regarding the housing shortage problem or the type of architecture or the type of house that can be built. There are numerous topics related to these things. So, for all of them, you can use just one general statement, that is, apart from clothing and shelter, food is the basic necessity without which survival is not possible. If you get a topic related to clothing, you can say, apart from food and shelter, clothing is the basic necessity without which survival is not possible. Okay, so the next general category that we have on list is reading. There are a lot of topics or cue cards that is related to reading. So one general statement that you can use in this is Reading is a wonderful activity, or reading is a wonderful hobby that enhances the knowledge and refines the thinking of the reader. So, guys, here it is very important for us to understand that what is the difference between enhancing knowledge and refining thinking. So, guys, the knowledge is the facts which you have in your mind. So, they will be enhanced, and your thinking is that the way you think about something. You are a positive person, negative person, you always try to be skeptical about the intentions of the other person. So, that is your thinking. So, the thinking is refined and the knowledge is enhanced. I'll repeat the same sentence again. Reading is a wonderful hobby that refines the thinking and enhance the knowledge of the reader. Okay, then the next topic is related to the old people or older adults or senior citizens. There are numerous topics regarding this. For example, there is a cue card that talk about a conversation which you had with an old person. So the general line which you can use on this is that throughout the lifetime, a person goes through numerous phases, and old age is the final phase of life where people need more physical and emotional support. So, the meaning of this sentence is that ਆਪਣੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਦਮੀ ਅਲੱਗ-ਅਲੱਗ ਫੇਜ਼ਸ ਜਾਂ ਅਲੱਗ-ਅਲੱਗ ਪੜਾਅ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਹੈ, and old age is the final phase of life where people need more physical and emotional support. Okay, now there are a couple of topics that are related to your emotions. By this, I mean to say that talk about a situation when you were angry, talk about a situation when you were sad, talk about a situation when you were very happy. So, all these are the emotion based cue cards, and for that, you can start with something like this. So, if you are talking about a situation when you lost your temper, a situation when you became angry, so you can start with this. Anger is a state of mind in which a person feels aggressive. यही मतलब ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ, ਜਦੋਂ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਚੜਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਸੋਚਦਾ ਨਾ ਯਾਰ ਕਿ ਬਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲਦਾ, ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਮਾਰਾ ਇੱਕ ਚੰਡੇ ਦੇ. So it is a state of mind in which a person feels aggressive. Usually a person repents on the decisions that he takes in such a state of mind. ਗੁੱਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਡਿਸੀਜਨ ਬੰਦਾ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਆਮ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪਛਤਾਵਾ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. So anger is a state of mind in which a person feels aggressive. The second state of mind is sadness or unhappiness. Talk about a situation when you were sad. So for that we can say that sadness is a state of mind in which a person feels depressed. Usually, he comes in such a state of mind when the conditions are not favorable for him. Okay? And the last emotion based topic is happiness. So, we can say that happiness is a state of mind in which a person feels delighted. Usually, a person comes in such a state of mind when all his expectations are met. Okay? So, the next one is childhood stories. So, we can say childhood stories play an important role in everyone's lives, and it is through the childhood stories that a person comes to know about his moral values, right? So suppose if there is a childhood story of thirsty crow, ਤਾਂ ਥਰਸਟੀ ਕ੍ਰੋ ਦੀ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਸੁਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਕਿ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ। So that is why we say that it is the childhood stories with the help of which a person gains his moral values. Okay? So the next is social issues. Social issues are like the problems which are being faced by each and every country. For example, drugs, for example, crime, corruption, population explosion, illiteracy. These are the problems which are being faced by each and every country. In some countries, the problem is more, and in the other countries, the problem is less. So, if you have a topic related to any of these problems, you can start with the line that none of the countries is immune to dash. None of the countries is immune to crime, immune to drugs, immune to population explosion, immune to illiteracy. So, this is the statement which a person can use. None of the countries is immune to dash. Okay, so if you get a topic regarding internet or computers technology, you can say that internet is one of the finest gifts given to mankind by technology. Okay, you can also say internet has made the world a very small place to live in. ਕਿਉਂ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕੋਨੇ 'ਚ ਬੈਠੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, and that is why it has made the world a very small place to live in. Okay, so the next category is regarding traveling or regarding vehicles. So guys, if you get any topic regarding traveling, you can start the topic by saying, as a result of the ever expanding horizons of the cities, the need to travel is increasing day by day. For example, if you get a topic related to accidents, so you can say that by or as a result of expanding horizons, the need of traveling is increasing day by day, and consequently the mishappening on roads are also increasing. Fine? Okay, so the 15th and the final thing is that when you offer any solution to someone, there is a problem, you have discussed about it, and now you want to say that there are some solutions to this problem as well. So we can say that as every cloud has a silver lining, there are some solutions that can be suggested to this problem as well. I'll repeat myself. As every cloud has a silver lining. So guys, why we use this statement is, guys, जो ਬੱਦਲ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਜੀ, ਬੱਦਲ, ਦੁੱਖ ਕੇ ਕਾਲੇ ਬਾਦਲ, ਇੱਕ ਮਾੜਾ ਸ਼ਗਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਦੁੱਖ ਕੇ ਕਾਲੇ ਬਾਦਲ ਹੈ, ਜੇ ਉਹ ਸੂਰਜ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਸੂਰਜ ਦੀ ਲਾਈਟ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਆਸ-ਪਾਸ ਇੱਕ ਸਿਲਵਰ ਕਲਰ ਦੀ ਲਾਈਨ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਤਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹ ਸਿਲਵਰ ਕਲਰ ਦੀ ਲਾਈਨ ਬਣ ਗਈ, ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਬੱਦਲ ਦੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਖਤਮ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਬੱਦਲ ਹੁਣ ਛੱਡ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਸੋ that is why we say that as every cloud has a silver lining, some strategies can be suggested to tackle this problem. So guys, these are the 15 statements, and I personally feel that no matter which topic you get to write or to speak upon, you will be able to use one of these 15 statements which I've given you. But ਅੜੇ ਥੋੜੇ ਤੇ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਹੀ, ਤਾਂ please make sure that you remember two things. One is the importance and the second is impact. क्या मतलब है ਇਹਦਾ कि जे ਤਾਂ कोई भी पॉजिटिव टॉपिक है, फॉर एग्जांपल फर्नीचर, shoes, clothes, technology, media, vehicles, traveling, ये सब positive topics हैं. So if you get any one of these topics, you can just say that dash plays an important role in everyone's life. Media plays an important role, sports play an important role, furniture plays an important role, education play an important role. Any positive topic will play an important role in everyone's life. But you cannot say that crime plays an important role or maybe corruption plays an important role. So over there we will talk about impact. Crime is impacting the life of a lot of people. Corruption is impacting a life of a lot of people. So if you are not able to think about any kind of statement, you can make use of impact or importance. I would have given you a lot of other statements and I would have loved to discuss about it, but as the time is limited, I'll not be able to do so. If you want, you can contact me on my phone number, that is 78144 I use my WhatsApp on the same number, or you can contact me through any of the social networking websites and I'll be able to help you. Thank you.